In Python, you can use a variable to store and manipulate data. Here is an example of how to use a variable in Python. In this example, we assigned a string hello world to a variable called message using the assignment operator equals. Then, we print the value of the variable using the print function, which displays hello world in the console. Next, we update the value of the variable to hello Python using the assignment operator equals and print the new value of the variable, which displays hello Python in the console. Variables can store different data types in Python, including numbers, strings, and boolean values, and can be used to perform calculations, compare values, and more.